Well, good morning. We got the shark rod with me today. It's the T100. It's a 5.4 meter or 17'7" with the 5.7 flex and medium action, medium flex. The 5.7 is kind of opposite of what the other rod, the NU, is. So this one's got a little more flex to it. But this is still just a 4X rod. So let's go ahead and get tied on and see if we can nymph that outer current out there without having to get in the water. Okay, well, sorry about the wind noise if there's any wind noise now, but telescoped out, tied on, got all 17'7" worth of line. We're gonna make our way here and fish this section real quick. Right up here in front of me, behind that one rock with the white stain, there's been a fish surface. You see it? Try to sneak over here. I'm going to try to get this fly right down in front of it there. Got one. That's a good fish right there. Nice fish. I knew if I bumped it around there enough and was quiet. I don't know where it's going. It's going out in the main current. This is what I mean by I can't pull it in on the 4X right now. It's too wound up. But at the same time, with the shorter rod, I would have already been broke off. Come on. Oop. Didn't mean to smack the camera. Oh, that's a beautiful rainbow right there. Great looking fish. Nice fight. Off the hook. Let's let it recoup in the water down here just a second. I gotta get closer to get the release going here. We got rod draping everywhere. Set it down rather gently here next to me somehow. Stay. 8 there, 7 there, 15. Nice 15-inch rainbow. Oh. Little torn up mouth. Whatever. Back in there. Knew it was gonna do it. There we go. Nice. I seen that one flash. Such a great fish right there. Aggressive. Not much bigger than the other one. Oh, it's scared of the net. One hand operation here. Good fish though. Good fish. And the net. What a great fish right there. Let's get it off that hook. Oh, the hook's so tiny. Ittiest bittiest black spots what's on there right now. That's a nice looking rainbow. Oh boy, it's feisty. 8 there, 9 there, 17. Just gonna rest my rod right there in the shallow. Woo! Feisty. Looks like it's had a tussle with the osprey. Such a nice rainbow. Super aggressive right there. It's been dealing with the ospreys, it looks like. Feisty. Get them back in there so they stay healthy. Great fish right there. Great fish. There's fish. Nice. And it's off.